Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 27th April 2021. And the topic is solitude. May I now welcome Mrs. Vijay Ramesh to recite all the poems. Please, ma'am, welcome.
Solitude by Mrs. Jayanti. Solitude, the charger of my energy, makes me free from hard times and provides time for self growth. Solitude, the shareholder of my pain, enter with the empty pass of stress free and becomes a boon for me at certain times. In the rain of solitude, I am drenched with extraordinary solutions and helped me to swim in the sea of content. Solitude by G. Sarala. Arrival of guest. My hubby's message with request. But long menu. I felt panic to be genuine, and after a deep breath, scheduled a plan at a stretch. Prepared all alone, as kitchen is only my zone. Restricted area, but the aroma via dining table welcomes guest. Sharing my best is the zest, as I always swallow within me my sorrow. Here plays my solitude attitude. Solitude by Miss Tanya Gopinath. Though I love people, I prefer to be alone at times, just alone, not lonely. When I'm being sad, I prefer to be alone. It solves my problems eventually. Being alone calms me down, certainly, makes me wise, and solves my problems quickly. Sometimes we need a place called alone to figure everything out. Solitude by Dr. Mary Suresh. Conscious effort to find joy in solitude comes with the seeking knowledge about the absolute truth of life, reflection, and experience to be practiced over time. Talent is nourished in solitude, character is shaped in stormy billows of life. Without solitude, one can't hear inner voice, can't talk to oneself. Whosoever is delighted in solitude is either a beast or a sage. Solitude feeds soul, loneliness kills. Solitude is the power to build the strengthened ideas, metamorphosis stage of life, developing, coming out a beautiful butterfly. Solitude by Mrs. U. Maragatam. In the mechanized era, amongst the tight schedule, we plead for loneliness, at least for some hours, to free ourselves from all hardships. Solitude seems to be a gift in the Middle Ages. Nonetheless, it happens to be a curse in the declining years of life. Solitude is blissful for some times, not all times. Solitude by Miss K. Amirta. I enjoy being alone. It's better to be alone than feeling lonely with someone. I am not socially disconnected, but I prefer to connect myself more than anyone as I realized solitude never leaves me. I create my own world and live there as a queen. I love to be alone. I just love to flow with my thoughts. Not everyone who is spending time alone doesn't mean that they are feeling lonely. Solitude exists in every individual. Solitude by Sabina Sal. Quarantine. Suddenly, not knowing what is going to happen, wheeled to the hospital after being screened. Alone, guarded by four walls, eagerly waiting for phone calls, gasping for breath, fear of death, all alone, lonely in the quarantine zone. That silence, that solitude, as the murderer entered, stabbing into the bereaved, leaving the entire nation grieved. The pangs and the cries fade into the distant skies. Solitude by S. Shyamla. The father prefers solitude to think about the wealth and prosperity of his family. The mother prefers solitude to think about the discipline and health of her family. The couple likes to be alone to discuss the future and private issues. The lovers are in solitude to exchange words of love. Me, as a daughter, wife, and mother, need solitude as a guest to take rest. Solitude is preferable to express our personal feelings of love and hate. To know oneself, solitude is a must, but give up solitude if it hurts. Solitude by Benita Nicholas. The wholesomeness of dryness adds more to the solitude. On mute mode, neither the gentle breeze blows nor the sunshine spreads happiness. All calm and quiet, partially hiding their faces. When will the solitude end to run around and play along? Solitude by Mrs. Lakshmi. Oh, my dear soothing solitude, I enjoy you when I am in sad mood, cause you free up my mind from all problems and allows my brain to come up with unique solutions. Solitude is not loneliness, it's the positive state of mind to be alone. Deep reading, meditation, and a prayer require solitude, cause it only creates a positive mood. Everyone requires solitude to live a balanced life and to feel satisfied. Solitude makes us to escape from stress of work. It is found in woods, even in privacy bedroom and in still park. Solitude is a sense of despair when there is no one to share. Too much of solitude takes the air out of high spirit, leaves a person yearning for human contact. Yet, too much spent in solitude may lead to depression, social isolation, and even suicide. Because people are social animals and they can't without social interaction. Solitude by Mrs. Vinija Ramkumar. With you, I enjoy the rhythm of rain. With you, I share my secrets and pain. With you, I feel the real comfort zone. With you, I never ever felt all alone. It's you who gave me the laugh when I'm sad. It's you who taught me to discern good and bad. It's you with whom I speak up my mind. It's you with whom I always walk behind. You are my mother in caressing me. You are my friend in guiding me. You are my everything who never to me pretend. And you are the one from heaven the God has sent. You were my only companion in my mother's womb. You will never let me alone, even in my tomb. In Inyatanimi. Solitude by Mrs. A. Asha Pandey. When I was a child, I spent the whole day with solitude. No Facebook friends, so with her I smiled. No PUBG, so with her I played. Nowadays, not a single full day I spent with the solitude. There's always something in mind to brood. Though I don't have any human company, the whole world is with me. A day without net pack in mobile does make the day immobile. With solitude, I spend just half an hour while traveling from school to home. Enjoy the beauty of nature, the white jasmine, yellow chrysanthemum, greenish trees, goat, and sheep roam. With solitude, many things I realize. My mind feels peace. Is there anyone who spends the day with solitude? A day without mobile phone or any other gadgets? Then truly you are the best blessed dude. Solitude by Mrs. C. Bharati Priya. If a baby is left alone, it starts to cry, and to climb out of the crib, a toddler will try. A school going kid will watch cartoons, and a college student will hear and dance to the tunes. People who fall in love hear melody songs. For privacy, newly married couple moans. The parents of newborn baby will long to sleep, and how to build their life they will think deep. After our beloved's death, loneliness starts to kill, and at last, in our town, we just lay chill. In every phase, we face the remoteness. It's all about how we fill those emptiness. Solitariness creates space to explore within, and sometimes it's a phase where devil gets in. It's all about how we handle our solitude. Sculpt each and every minute with right attitude. Solitude by Mrs. A. P. Manikavelli Kanadasan. The mind wants to be in the loneliness. Why solitude? Asked by many. Didn't want to express my grievance. My silence is my guardian. Opening the mouth often creates the problem. Solitude opens the knowledge stream immersed in my heart. Loneliness makes me engage with God always. Nobody can separate us. Being alone is my invaluable boon given by the Supreme God. The silence journey will go indefinitely beyond earth too. Solitude by Mrs. Hemasuda. Once, the hustles and bustles of workplace and surroundings made me crave for isolation and a deserted place for relaxation. Feel thankful to this pandemic that have taught few basic principles which made me to change my attitude, and now I avoid solitude. Amidst isolation, I often cherish good old sweet memories of family get-togethers and gatherings, as recently haven't attended any functions. To me now, the word solitude connotes home quarantines and curfews, awaiting to inhale fresh air and carefree life, to experience serenity in solitude. Solitude by Mrs. R. Ramapriya. Better be alone than in a bad company. It's time to reform our thoughts, if any. Self introspection may happen, we can have our favorite fun. Communication within ourselves start while we analyze our past. Sometimes solitude is special. It depends upon an individual. Solitude by Mrs. Alice. Solitude tends to depression. Everyone needs good companion. Solitude makes us feel a lot. Good thoughts aimed to joyful slot. Loneliness pulls all upside down, encourages angels to be the devils, notorious acts leading to frown, cheating guardians as brave fools. Solitude gives birth to creations, encourages finer imaginations to be the admirable creative writers. Plan to use solitude for valid deeds. Solitude by Sri Priya Anand. Sometime love to live alone just for some time. A cup of hot filter coffee, enjoying every sip at time, without any other disturbances, cooking with love, doing pujas, allowing no one between me and God. Enjoy talking with parents without anyone's intrusion, sitting comfortably on a sofa and converse with a book. Holding remote of TV, watching favorite programs, seeing old albums, allowing the moment to celebrate. Airports help me to enter alone in the world of music. According to me, solitude is just like the salt in the food. Without salt, the food will not taste good, and also, over salt in the food will not taste good. Yes, of course, sometime love to live alone, just for some time. Solitude by Mrs. D.K. Vijay. You were my best companion from the day I was in the womb. You fed my dreams to grow and shattered all my sorrows to flow. Often convinced my anger and emotions, helped me to understand the various colors of relations, added fuel to my sparkled spirituality, helped me to taste the fruit of tranquility. But when time swallowed my youth and strength, when body disobeyed the orders of my brain, don't know why couldn't admire a grace, feeling I'm burning when you embrace. Talking eyes, caring hands, and soothing words. Now I need these all to pacify my thoughts. Please leave me and get out of my sight. After my long sleep, you can come and hug me tight. Solitude by Mrs. R. Edilarasi. Solitude, a state of holiness for a sage. It's not loneliness. Don't feel like a bird in a cage. A great moment of pleasure for a genius. Experience the combination of quietness and convenience. Freedom is considered to be great benefit of solitude. Creativity can be sparked to develop great attitude. Helps to discover self identity when our mind is confused. Let's think over the architect of our lives to express gratitude.
Thank you, Vijay ma'am. You have recited all the poems in a wonderful manner. And I congratulate all the poets of creative writers. Keep penning.